Hello, my lovely friends. I just want to take a minute to let you know something. I did something that I wasn't planning on, and sometimes plans change. So I made a small pivot, and if you have been waiting, the Insiders Club is back open. I had initially not planned on opening it until late fall, but it is back open now. So if that's something you want to do and you're creative and you're looking for a community of like-minded people who love upcycling and creating, and this community is for you. So for $12 a month, you get so much packed in there. You get a DIY class, a video class, so ChicCycling. You get a project each month about that month's theme with that. You get a techniques class, which is pre-recorded, so you can watch at your own pace. You can watch it over and over again. Every month there's a different technique that I do during that class. You get a quick win project. You get a printable to inspire your creativity and cozy living, and so much more. So there is tons packed in for $12 a month, and the Insiders Club is back open. Our theme for October is all about pumpkins and beyond, and everything is inspired by the palette of the fall. I hope to see you soon inside the club. You can find all the information at recreateddesigns.ca, and I will create with you soon.